We have this, which is a lunchbox cooler, and I have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we have 6 in stock. That'll come like this, and then when you open it, fuzzies there. We got pockets on the side, on both sides, to put stuff. You got a compartment in the back with Velcro, sticky stuff. And then you have a pocket in the front. So you can put stuff in here. And then we have the cooler itself. So you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Keep your stuff hot or cold. Go to the beach, picnic, park, work. Pocket there, and then these elastic slits in here to put, I guess, your utensils or silverware. Close it back up. Handle at the top, adjustable strap. So you have a nice adjustable strap there. That's really nice. And there you go on that. 6 of those we have. Pretty sturdy, nice cooler. And on to the next.